Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session we completed up to question number 15. I will start with question number 16. In question number 16, evaluate integral 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x dx. Log 1 plus cos x dx. Okay. Listen. First, let I equals to integral 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x dx. This is equation 1. You apply the property I equals to integral 0 to pi log 1 plus cos. In place of x, substitute a minus x. A means pi. Here pi minus means second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative. That's why I equals to integral 0 to pi log 1 minus cos x dx. That is equation 2. Now I am adding 1 and 2. I plus I 2i equals to integral 0 to pi log 1 plus cos x plus log 1 minus cos x dx. It is in the form of log a plus log b. You can written as log ab, a into b. Then 2i equals to integral 0 to pi log a into b. Now it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Then 2i equals to integral 0 to pi log 1 minus cos square x dx. 1 minus cos square is nothing but sin square. Then 2i equals to integral 0 to pi log sin square x dx. In logarithms, what is the value which is present in power? That value comes first. Then 2i is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to pi log sin x dx. Now 2 gets cancelled. Here 2 is in power, it comes first. Okay. Now I equals to integral 0 to pi can be written as 2 into pi by 2 log sin x dx. So it is in the form integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx or 0. When this is applicable? This is applicable if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. When the second condition is possible? F of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. Okay, that's why first we need to verify the satisfying first condition or second condition. Here 2a minus x means 2a means 2 into pi by 2, 2 gets cancelled, pi minus x. Sin pi minus theta is nothing but sin theta. That's why it is satisfying condition number 1. That's why according to condition number 1, it can be written as 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Already in previous session we discussed, that is question number, one second, that is question number in 14th volume, second question. Already this proof we did So that proof is what? Minus pi by 2 log 2. Students, once again I am not doing this proof. This question is already there, 0 to pi by 2 log sin x in volume 14. Same proof you will get, minus pi by 2 log 2. Now 2 gets cancelled, then I equals to minus pi log 2. That is answer for this question number 16. Next, 17th question. Integral 0 to a root x by root x plus root a minus x dx. Listen, how to solve, how to find this value. Simple. First I am taking given integration is I. Integral 0 to a root x by root x plus root a minus x dx. This is equation number 1. You apply the property, in place of x substitute a minus x. Then I equals to integral 0 to a root, in place of x substitute a minus x. In place of x substitute a minus x. In place of x substitute a minus x. Now here a and a gets cancelled. Then I equals to integral 0 to a under root of a minus x by root of a minus x plus minus of minus plus x dx. This is equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2. I plus I, that is 2i, equals to integral 0 to a, what is numerator here? Root x. What is numerator here? Root a minus x. Both are having same denominator, root x plus root a minus x dx. Now this and this gets cancelled. Now 2i is equal to integral 0 to a 1 dx. 1 integration x. 2i is equal to x between the limits 0 to a. First you substitute upper limit minus you substitute lower limit. Now 2i is equal to a. Then I equals to a by 2. This is answer for this question number 17. Okay. Next, 18th question. Integral 0 to 4 mod x minus 1 dx. This model question already we discussed. Okay. Here 0 to 4, starting 0, here 4, between 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1 is there, here you take plus 1. Here you take any value between 0, 1, you will get negative. After 1, you take any value that is positive. Understood? Why? Because you take any value between 0 and 1, 0.5, substitute here 0.5 minus 1, that is negative. From 1 to 4 you take any value, substitute, you will get positive. That is why this integration can be divided into two parts, that equals to first 0 to 1 minus is there x minus 1 dx, to 1 to 4 plus is there x minus 1 dx. Okay. then minus x integration x square by 2 minus 1 integration x between the limits 0 to 1. Here also x integration x square by 2 minus 1 integration x between the limits 1 to 4. First substitute upper limit, 1 square 1 by 2 minus 1. Next lower limit 0. Here also first you substitute upper limit, 4 square 16 by 2 8. Next lower limit 1 square 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2, already minus is there, that is plus 1 by 2. 8 minus 4 4. 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2, already minus is there, plus 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1 plus 4. Therefore, answer is 5 for this question number 18. Next, 19th question. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x plus 1 dx. X cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x plus 1 dx. This question can be divided into two parts. Up to here I am taking one part and last one I am taking another part. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x dx plus integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 1 dx. This is odd function. According to property, if it is odd function, this total value is 0. Therefore, 0 plus minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 1 dx. If it is odd function, according to the property, this answer is 0. Now, what is 1 integration x between the limits minus pi by 2 to pi by 2? First, substitute upper limit minus substitute lower limit, then pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is nothing but pi is the answer for question number 19. Now, last question in this exercise, that is question number 20. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x dx. It is the last question in this exercise. Listen. First, I am taking this value is I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x dx. It is equation 1. Now, apply the property, in place of x substitute a minus x. Then I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 into sin, in place of x I am substituting a minus x, that is pi by 2 minus x by 4 plus 3 into cos pi by 2 minus x. Sin 90 minus theta cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Then I equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 plus 3 sin x dx. It is equation number 2. Now, adding 1 and 2. I plus I 2i equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log a plus log b, okay, then log 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x plus log 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 plus 3 sin x dx. It is in the form of log a plus log b log ab. Then 2y equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 log 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x into 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 plus 3 sin x. These two cancel, these two cancel. 1 is remaining. Then 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 log 1 dx. Log 1 value already we know, that is 0. Then 2i is equal to 0. Then I equals to 0. Now exercise 7.11 is completed. Next I will start miscellaneous problems. Okay, next miscellaneous examples. First question in this. Integral cos 6x into under root of 1 plus sin 6x dx. Okay. In this, let 1 plus sin 6x is equal to t. I am using substitution method. Now differentiate with respect to x. 1 derivative 0 because constant. Sin 6x derivative cos 6x into inner function 6x derivative 6, that equals to dt by dx. Now cos 6x into dx is equal to 6, come to this side 1 by 6 dt. This term is present in the question. Now the question is changed to I equals to integral, in place of this I can write root t into 1 by 6 dt, because this value t cos 6x dx means 1 by 6 dt. 1 by 6 is constant, I will write outside. Then what is remaining? Root means t power 1 by 2 dt. It is in the form of x power n. X power n integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is I equals to 1 by 6 into x power, so t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. Now I equals to 1 by 6 into this 3 by 2 go to numerator 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. 2 1 jars, 2 3 jars cancel. Then I equals to 1 by 3 3 jars 9. In place of t, I can substitute 1 plus sin x. Then 1 plus sin 6x whole power 3 by 2 plus c. That is answer for this first question. Next, second question. Integral x power 4 minus x whole power 1 by 4 by x power 5 dx. Okay, listen how to do this. Integral, here we take x power 4 common, 1 minus 1 by x cube whole power 1 by 4 by x power 5 dx. If you take x power common in this, what is remaining? 1 minus 1 by x cube. If you have any doubt, multiply x power 4 into 1, x power 4, x power 4 into 1 by x cube, x. If this value comes to outside of that bracket, 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Now what is remaining? X is remaining, because this 4 and this 4 gets cancelled. Then what is remaining? 1 minus 1 by x cube whole power 1 by 4 by x power 5 dx. Here x 1 time is there, here x 5 times is there, cancel, 4 times remaining, this x cancel 4 times. Then 1 minus 1 by x cube whole power 1 by 4 by x power 4 dx. Now from this, let 1 minus 1 by x cube equals to t. Here I am using substitution method in integration. Now 1 minus 1 by x cube can be written as x power minus 3, that equals to t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now constant derivative 0. What is the formula for derivative of x power n? N into x power n minus 1, that equals to dt by dx. Then what you will get? 3 into x power minus 4 dx is equal to dt. This x power minus 4 can be written as 1 by x power 4 dx is equal to 3, go to that side, 1 by 3 dt. Substitute this in the question. Okay, then I equals to, this is t, that's why t power 1 by 4. 1 by x power 4 dx is nothing but 1 by 3 dt. So by 3 constant I will write outside, t power 1 by 4 dt. It is in the form of x power n, x power integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, then 1 by 3 into t power 1 by 4 plus 1, that is nothing but 5 by 4 by 5 by 4 plus 6. Then this 5 by 4 go to numerator, now it becomes 4 by 5 into t power 5 by 4 plus 6. Then I equals to 4 by 15 into t value. What is t value? 1 minus 1 by x cube. 1 minus 1 by x cube whole power 5 by 4 plus c. That is the answer for this question. Third question. Evaluate integral sin 2x cos 2x by under root of 9 minus cos power 4 2x dx. Okay. Listen how to find this value. This can be written as I equals to integral sin 2x cos 2x by under root of 9 can be written as 3 square minus cos power 4 2x can be written as cos square 2x whole square. Okay, let cos square 2x is equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. It is in the form of x square derivative 2x into inner function 2x derivative 2, that equals to dt by dx. See, listen. First, differentiate main function x square derivative 2x, again cos 2x derivative minus sin 2x, again 2x derivative 2 dt by dx, that is nothing but minus 4 sin 2x cos 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay. Now send minus 4 that side, sin 2x cos 2x dx is equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. This term is already present in the question. Then I equals to integral 1 by under root of 3 square minus t square, because this is t. Sin 2x cos 2x dx is nothing but minus 1 by 4 dt. Minus 1 by 4 constant. It is in the form of 1 by integral 1 by under root of a square minus x square, that is nothing but sin inverse of x by a plus c. It is in the form of integral 1 by under root of a square minus x square sin inverse x by a plus c. In place of t, substitute cos square 2x. Then I equals to minus 1 by 4 sin inverse of cos square 2x by 3 plus c. That is the answer for this third question.